Hi, this is Scoggett, and this is a second part to my Lone Star Beer hot dog chili sauce my way video. And the chili sauce has been going for about an hour and 10 minutes. It has got the moisture out. It looks good, looks great, and it is perfect. And so what I'm going to do is go ahead and plate this up and show you what we got here. What we got here is a toasted bun. I'll have to have a video on how to do this, but that'll be another video. And I'm going to go ahead and get one of these hot dogs. We're going to plate this up. I'm going to show you how it come out. Got some mustard. Put that on there. Then we got this chili sauce, hot dog chili sauce. Man, I'll tell you what, that looks good. I already know it's going to be good. We're going to go ahead and plate that up on here. Yeah. Got some diced onions. Put that on. Then I got some Lay's wavy hickory barbecue chips. Well, we're going to put on the side. This is the way it come out. This way it looks. And I tell you what, that the sauce is fantastic. I already know by looking. But there's only one way to tell. That's by tasting it. So that's what we're going to do now. Going to take this hot dog, going to give it a bite. I'm going to let you know what I think of it. Let me tell you, that sauce is fantastic. It brings out that hot dog. Just really good. I hope you give this a try. It's so easy to make. I don't know why you wouldn't. And it's so good. I mean, just the spices and everything, everything comes together, makes excellent sauce. This is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. And this is the star of the show right here, the Lone Star Beer. Couldn't have done that hot dog sauce without this. So, appreciate all you viewers and subscribers. Going to go ahead and finish this up, and y'all take care.